Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some exciting news for developers. JetBrains has made both WebStorm and Rider available for free. This is an amazing opportunity for personal projects, learning and non-commercial use. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, let's discuss what WebStorm and Rider are. WebStorm is a fantastic IDE designed for JavaScript and TypeScript, featuring smart code completion, debugging and seamless integration with popular frameworks. Rider, although I haven't used it myself, is known as a powerful cross-platform IDE for .NET development. It combines the best features of ReSharper and IntelliJ IDEA, making it a great choice for building applications with C#, ASP.NET, and more. To get started, head over to the JetBrains website. You will find both WebStorm and Rider listed under their products. Click on the one you want. Once you click download, follow prompts to install the software. If you don't have JetBrains account yet, you will need to create one. It's free. Now let's talk about licensing option. JetBrains offers free license for students and teachers as well as for open source projects. Remember, these licenses are intended for non-commercial use only, so make sure to comply with this condition when using their software. Now let's explore some key features in WebStorm. You will enjoy powerful code assistance, a built-in terminal, and effective debugging tools. The version control integration makes collaboration easy. Rider, while I haven't personally explored, it is recognized for its smart code navigation and unified debugger. It supports a variety of language and frameworks, providing a robust environment for .NET developers. Let's set up a project in WebStorm. Open it up and select new project. Choose your preferred framework name, your project, and click create. You will see a clean project structure, making it easy to start coding. Here are a few productive tips. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Leverage live template for quicker coding. Explore the plugin ecosystem to customize your IDE experience. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you are excited to explore both WebStorm and Rider for free for your personal projects and learning. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, leave a comment below.